Okay, question number 21, algebraic fractions. Before we look at the takeaway, let's look at the multiplying here. Look, okay, I'm going to just try and simplify this left-hand side here. They're multiplying. I'm not going to do anything with this first one, 1 over 3x minus 2. But what I do spot here, look, is this top one is the difference of two squares. All right, it's a square number and a square term separated by a minus sign. So that will separate into two single brackets with the square root of the first bit and the square root of the 4. So the square root of 9x squared is 3x. And the square root of 4 is 2. So you need a plus sign and a minus sign in the middle. It's called the difference of two squares. Now the bottom is a normal quadratic. That's going to go into a double bracket. One needs to have 3x at the front and the other needs x at the front to create the 3x squared. Okay, playing around a bit, you're going to end up with two numbers that multiply to make minus 10. Now I know that one's a plus and one's a minus, because when you multiply to get a minus, you need one of each sign, but you need to maybe work out that you need a 2 and a 5. A hint will be that the top includes a 2, and these types of questions normally cancel off, so you're looking for a 2, I would think, with the 3x going in there. Try and use that some sort of logical method, okay? And then we can do a bit of cancelling. Okay, so this 3x plus 2 will cancel with this 3x plus 2 underneath. You can only do cancelling with top and bottom if the terms are multiplying. All right, so this one is multiplying that one, and all the brackets underneath are multiplying each other. So whatever's in it in any individual bracket can be cancelled off. So the 3x plus 2 and 3x plus 2, and the 3x minus 2 on the top cancel with this 3x minus 2 over there, and you're just left with, look, the 1 and the x minus 5 on the bottom, minus 7 over x minus 1. Now we turn into just normal fraction arithmetic. We must have a common denominator. So this x minus 5 needs multiplying by x minus 1. But you need to do it to the top as well. And then this x minus 1 is multiplying by the x minus 5. And again, you need to do it to the top as well. Okay, so then we've got a common denominator on the bottom. Simplify off the top. Careful with this minus 7, because not only is it minus 7x, but a minus 7 times a minus 5 gives you plus 35, which when you simplify all of that top, you're going to get minus 6 plus 34. And it asks in the question for it to be in simplest form. So at this stage, you bring out a factor of 2 on the top, at the front of the single bracket, and write 17 minus 3x. And then x minus 5, x minus 1 can't be simplified any further on the bottom.